Right then, back on another beach. Out with the Deus 2, 9-inch coil. I'm on, I think it's called Aberystwyth Beach. And yeah, I can't get as close as that on any other beach. Well, there you go. I've got a 4-hour slot. I will give it probably I would say about 2 hours, maybe 1.5 hours. We'll just see how we go, see what we find. If we find anything, we might just find trash. Enjoy, see you at the first hole, no matter what it is. Alright, first hole. 65, 66. Is it going to be aluminium? Whatever it is, it's getting pushed along further and further. Okay. Why is that going off over here as well then? It's just a bit of aluminium. Just a bit of aluminium. Oh, it's there. Big bloody great big bit. Oh, there you go. 1991. Let's move them out of the way. No, look at that. Okay, I'll have a bit of copper instead then. Alright, got 71, 72, and it's 20 pence piece. Yep, 20 pence piece. We're off and running. An 86, 87. Out. It's out. That's another coin. Pound coin. Not bad. £1.20 straight away. There you go. Oh, just got the pound from up there, and in this hole, got 20 pence piece. So we got £1.40 so far. Not bad for 20 minutes. As a rule, I normally carry corks on me, and this is the reason why. Not because of that, but because of that. And I've got no corks on me today. So hopefully, whilst walking along the beach, we might find one. But I'll have to put that into a totally different pocket. Otherwise, I'm going to hurt myself. 89.90. Could be a penny. Yep, it is. 1 pence. Lovely signal, but yeah, fishing related. No hooks on this one, so yeah, I haven't got a clue. 91.92 should be a penny, I would have thought. or 2p. What's that? Oh yeah, be 2p. Yeah, 2p piece. That wouldn't be beach detecting with it without getting a ring pull. I'm not too sure, possibly 2 signals. This is an 88 anyway. So I'll do this one first just in case there's a halo. That's out, apparently. Oh, there it is. That's a penny. So that's a penny. Let's see if the other one is still a target. It's an 80. So I'm not convinced. Not convinced at all. And it's a bit of aluminium. Bit of aluminium anyway. Oh, it really doesn't want to get caught, does it? There it is. Just another bit of aluminium. Oh, I don't know what else is in here. It looks like I've just got a knife. Yeah, just got a knife. I won't bother opening that up just yet. But it looks alright. I'll give that a clean off, see if I can get that open eventually. But yeah, got a knife. I don't know what else is down there though. Now we've got an 86. It's possible it's going to be aluminium, to be fair. The way it's rattling away. Might be wrong. Oh yeah, huge ball. There you go. Right, it's been a long while since I had a target, and I've just got this iPhone charging cable. Whether it still works or not is a different matter, but it was just laying on the surface. I've got a 66. Could be a coin, then again it could be a bit of aluminium. They seem to be coming through whatever they want today. Oh, it's gone all crackly now. Gone all crackly. Let's have a look. That's out. It's out. That is a coin. It is a coin, and it is a 10p piece. Oh, there you go. Right. 72. I can see some fishing lines, so it's going to be fishing. Fishing attire. What is it? No hook this time. So there you go. I didn't realise that someone's already been along here metal detecting. There, and even down there as well. There. So yeah, I mean that's probably why I'm not finding too much here. Don't know. Probably a lump of copper, I think. 70, 71. £20. 20p piece. Oh, we had an 87.88 out of there. That's £1. I hadn't seen it before, but I had a hunch. And there you go, £1. Again, multiple holes been dug and just left really. So I don't know who this detectorist is, but they're not doing very well because they're just leaving the holes. And down here somewhere I've got an 88, 89. It could be a penny, could be a pound. I think it's going to be a penny if anything. If it's going to be a coin, that is. Might not even be a coin. No. Oh, it is. There you go. £1. £1. 85, 86. Not the best signal in the world. Oh, it is a coin. It is a coin. It's a penny. Slightly different numbers, but a penny. 85, 86. Doesn't matter which way round I go, it's exactly the same numbers. It could be a pound coin, could be a penny. Could equally be a bit of aluminium, but generally when they're fixed like that, I would say it's probably a coin. Yeah, not a pound. Another £1. Oh, there you go. They do clean up quite well. A friend of mine's got a tumbler, and I'm thinking of buying one as well, because I've seen some of the stuff that they've had come out of the ground, what the condition is now, so it might be worthwhile getting one as well. We'll see. 63. I've got a coin. I actually thought it was going to be a it's a 10p piece. I thought it was going to be a ring pull, so I didn't film it. It was only slightly just under this bloody sand. 65, 66. It's either a 10p or it's going to be a ring pull. Let's see. Oh, not even that. Just a bit of aluminium. I don't know what it used to be. Oh, there you go. Bit of a shit signal. But hey ho. Just another bit of aluminium. Possibly that's going to be the last hole. I've just got a a few more steps and I'm at steps, so let's see how we go. Right then, another couple of hours done on another beach in Aberystwyth. I think that's how you say it, and I apologise to any of the Welsh people out there if I've said it wrong, but I think it's called Aberystwyth. The Deus tour has done me well. The sand is, I don't know, it's a gritty sand. I think that's the easiest way to say it. It doesn't look like the sands that we get in Kent or along the south coast. But yeah, it's been good. There has been another detectorist going along. Unfortunately, they've not been filling the holes in properly, and they've been leaving all the crap in them as well. But that's neither here nor there. I found a few coins, a lock knife as well. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me. Not too sure when the next video will be, but I've got enough in the bank for the next 2 weeks, so you're still going to get videos anyway. So let's see how we go, and thank you for joining me. Thank you very much. Bye.